Mogu Studios is about 65% of the entire animation industry. We have a studio with those 75 people currently working on a 90-minute feature film. Then moving forward, the next would be the gaming studios in Sri Lanka. So in terms of gaming studios, there's Arinac, RAM Studios, both of which have produced grossing games. So basically, they make the games, put them onto consoles, put them on platforms. People pay for the game, buy it, and play the games. So this is how it works. And also Nine Hermits and in fact mobile games. So it's odd because when we were kids, our parents would be scolding us saying, what are you doing playing games? Go do something useful that will help you in your life. Well, it's all changed now, right? You play games, then you make games, and then you make money making games. So that's how it works. And at Mogu Academy, we are teaching you how to make games. So we have a course in game development, we have a course in animation. So what we do through these is we mold youngsters to be able to go and work in any animation studio anywhere in the world. So why do we think this is important? Because this is something that is highly grossing in the world market. Nowadays, if you look at the global market, there are so many gaming studios that makes so much money just by making simple mobile games. I mean, when I talk about games, you guys must be thinking of big games like Halo and GTA and things like this. But there are studios, especially in India, right, just operating out of their room, right, bedroom, and they put out a simple mobile game that be sold for like $5 maybe, right? But if you get 100,000 downloads on that's $500,000, $500,000. So that's the power of games and how much money you can make in this industry, right? So moving forward, let me talk to you about animation as a subject, right? Now, when it comes to Sri Lanka, animation as a subject, it's relatively new, right? And we only have private universities mainly offering this, and we also have a lack of skilled staff to teach this program. So this is something that we have seen over the past few years, especially as an animation studio and a game development studio that has been operating for the past 4 years. We've seen that it's hard for us to find specialized, skilled professionals in animation and other subjects leading up to animation. Why this is of course, as I mentioned, it's fairly new. Not a lot of people know about the benefits of studying animation. Not a lot of people know about the industry. So because of that, parents are scared to send their kids into this industry or into these programs because we don't know. For example, if you send your kid to study engineering, they'll be an engineer and there's so much job opportunities for them. But here we still don't know that there's so much job opportunities available in animation. So as parents especially, what we need to understand is this is in fact a global industry. Animation is not centered to Sri Lanka. In fact, we are just entering the market. In the global world, it's something huge, and if you are as a student, if you are able to grasp the skills of animation, then you have a long way to go from there, right? And moving forward, so just to give you a little insight about Sri Lanka's first ever animated movie, as you guys know, was Gajaman. It was an extremely successful local project. It broke all box office records in Sri Lanka, and mind you, this movie was only made for the local audience. So being a movie made in Sinhala only for the local audience, Gajanan managed to do 1.9 million US dollars in sales in box office, and their budget was only 250,000 USD. Right, so you can see how the stark difference in the budget and their sales, their revenue. So this is the kind of money that we're talking about, and this is just being a local production. So imagine what this would bring in if this was done for a worldwide audience, right? So, yeah. All right. So just to tell you guys about Mogo Studios, which is the studio that I represent. Right. So Mogo Studios was born in 2019, right? And we wanted to venture out into the animation industry, and we want to make a movie from Sri Lanka for the worldwide audience. So this was our goal, and this is our journey. So in 2020, we put out a 3D short film called Elephantastic, and then in 2021 we put out another short film called The Answer, which won the Next Generation Award at Digicon 2021, and in 2023 we also put out another short film called The Riley and the Wooden Store, which won the Regional Gold Award at Digicon 2023. And then our latest project, which we are currently working on, which I will show you guys a small teaser on, is The Secret of the Moonstone. So The Secret of the Moonstone is a 90-minute feature film for worldwide release, which we are planning to release in next year, April, hopefully. So we are currently working on it, and yeah, let's move on to. So this is the short, the reel for Mogo Studios. So this is our studio showreel. So studio showreel is basically all the work that a studio has done, put into a short reel, so to showcase to the outside world the kind of work that we do. So as you saw, if you become an animator or a modeler or a rigger or anything in the animation industry, this is the kind of work that you'll be working on, especially if you join Mogo Studios after that, right? So let me just, next up I'll show you the trailer, sorry, actually the teaser trailer. This is a 30-second very short teaser that we did back in November last year. We actually have a trailer that will be out in October, so that will be released publicly and you guys can all watch it. Just stay tuned to Mogo Studios Facebook page for that. But until then, I would like to show you the teaser for our upcoming feature film.
This is no coincidence. Where is that book? I want that book! I want you to go to our village. A village? Thank you, David, for coming with me. Wow, I feel so good out here. Just go and push your luck around here. You're the Jesus, Lord.
Right, so this is the film that Mogo Studios is currently working on. So we have 75 people who are currently employed for the past 4 years working on this animated feature film. So this is basically the future of the animation industry in Sri Lanka, and it's only growing. This is only the start. So which is why we started an academy ourselves in order to produce the talent that we require to work on more animated content like this. So if you just look at the key elements of our movie, right? We have a motion capture system, right, which we use for our animation work, and we also produce this on Unreal using real-time rendering softwares, and also the key element is that this movie is made for an international target market, right? So with the movie, some key elements that we focused on is maintaining a Sri Lankan authentic production, right? So the language and the dialogue is a little Sri Lankanized. You have the character design that looks Sri Lankan, the environments are Sri Lankan to keep that local touch, because at the end of the day we want to take Sri Lanka to the world through these animated content that we're doing, right? So these are some of the services that we offer. So these are some of the things that you will get to learn once you join Mogo Media Academy, right? So just to give an overview of Mogo Media Academy, right? We offer 5 different diplomas in different fields of animation. So the diplomas are mainly in animation, concept art, modeling and texturing, game development, and VFX. So these are 1-year diplomas that we offer, with 4 hours of classes each day, right? And at the end of the diploma, we also guarantee that you will be able to work in any animation studio anywhere in the world, because our curriculums and syllabuses have been vetted by professionals from Pixar, Disney, and whatnot. And also, as Mogo Studios, which is part of the Dorna Media Group, we plan to hire 40% of all the graduates that come out of Mogo Media Academy to our studios itself, our game development studio and our academy. And also, the main highlight is that 90% of our lecturers are international lecturers coming from overseas countries, mainly due to the fact that, as we mentioned earlier, we want people who have hands-on experience in animation to come and teach our students, because this will we make sure that our students are also able to deliver what current studios worldwide requires, so which is why we have invested a lot in putting out these programs and these lectures. Yeah, so this is a few more of the work we do at Mogo Studios. So you guys will understand these things better once you can visit our store right here, and our Mogo Media Academy store. It's at Hall B on the left of the entrance. So visit our store, and you'll be able to learn more about animation, the animation industry in Sri Lanka, and how you can be part of it, and how you can join the future and join us in winning the world through animation. Thank you, guys. So if you all have any questions, now's the time to ask. Sorry, my bad. Sorry. Yeah. Career paths, as in, so if you have a qualification in animation, yeah, definitely. I mean, we are looking for people with animation experience to hire a studio and game studio. Yeah. So what have you studied?
I have a degree in visual effects and concept design.
Oh, nice. Oh, super. Okay. So yeah, just talk to me after this. Yeah. Any other queries?